Coffee lover ka ba na naghahanap ng nice coffee spot to unwind and enjoy a great cup of coffee? Then you're in the right vlog. Dito tayo ngayon sa Maginawa Street, Quezon City, and in this video guys, I'm excited to share with you the Dark Rose Coffee House. Dark Rose Coffee House has this cozy laid-back vibe. Perfect for relaxing and enjoying a great cup of coffee. Let me tour you around. Very rustic, very artsy, and very welcoming na vibe dito sa Dark Rose. So comfortable din ang mga seats nila at yan ay pinasadya ng kanilang team para sa isang napagandang purpose. To keep everyone very comfortable on their stay. Mupo ka man ng matagal, hindi sasakit puwit mo dito. And syempre guys, kung gaano ka-relaxing magstay dito ay ganun din naman ka-worth it ang mga coffee offerings nila. So as a coffee lover and barista, I truly appreciate the quality of their coffee. So natikman natin dito guys yung kanilang cream brulee, Spanish latte, and coconut matcha foam. And I can confidently say that each drink is a delightful blend of flavors that keeps you coming back here. And isa sa pinaka nagustuhan ko at maisasuggest ko rin na tikman nyo ay ang kanilang cream brulee. Ito yung combination ng classic dessert and coffee house favorite. So worth trying talaga guys. At syempre aside sa mga coffee, marami rin silang pastries na available. At isa sa bestseller at laging sold out dito ay ang kanilang brownies. So delightful kasi at very budget friendly. Other important details guys, may street parking sila dito, may wifi, may sockets, student friendly, air conditioned. Ang location nila ay Maginawa Street, PKC Building at open sila daily 1 PM to 1 AM. That's all for today's video guys. Share nyo naman sa comment section ng iba pang mga coffee shop recommendation nyo. And please support my vlog, like and share. Thank you guys for watching.